Space, the final frontier.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, December 28th, and I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar. And today, the S&P is at an all-time high. So we're going where no man has ever gone before. Anyway, coming back down to earth, let's start out, as we always do, looking at today's economic calendar. And for today, December 28th, only the Case-Shiller Home Price Index is going to be announced, and it's doubtful that that's going to have any effect on prices. Moving along to the morning's business news. Now, I look at the business news generally to see if there's anything abnormal, let's put it that way, in the news, and I look for particularly bad news, things that are going to rattle the market, and emotions rule a lot of market activity. And there is a story today that I want to point out to you, and that's this one. NASDAQ poised to underperform S&P for the first time since 2016. Now, why is that remarkable? Well, first of all, if you look at it in terms of what it actually says, it says that the NASDAQ has led the S&P since 2016. And in my view, tech leads the market. So that's something that is noteworthy. At any rate, today we're in nosebleed territory. I'm going to go to a big picture. Here's the S&P on a one-day chart. And this is not the E-mini, this is the S&P. And here we are in nosebleed territory. This was yesterday, December 27th. And yesterday, for the first time, we broke through the high that was established back on November 21st, about 6 weeks ago. So we're breaking out of that and into new territory where no man has gone before. So now taking a more view from down to earth on a 3-minute micro E-mini chart, and here we are yesterday, December 27th, and here we are. The market started out strong with a strong candle up about 10 points. There are 5 points between each horizontal line on this chart. Market consolidated here, and notice here is something that I want to point out to you. You see this red candle here and the one that followed it, a strong move up, followed by an immediate rejection for the next 6 minutes. And this could probably and possibly shook a lot of people off. Guys, when you see something like this, typically it's a warning sign. And if you got shaken off here, if you were trading the market at this period yesterday, if you were shaken off, that's okay. If you didn't take advantage of this, that's okay. If you got this, that's okay. Because this rejection, this little head fake over here, can very easily have gone the other way. And by the way, we see it again right over here when the market moved up, made its final push up for the day. There was another head fake right over here. The market went up, boom, back down, and then finished the day strong. Nevertheless, we're moving on to today. And yesterday I promised that I was going to give all you guys who are not enrolled in my E-mini trading course, I'm going to give you the Taylor Book Method trading numbers, trading zone numbers for today, and they are for support 4760, resistance is up at 4811. So 4760, 4811, those are the Taylor Book Method numbers, number calculations for the trading zone. And if you've taken my course, you know how to use it. If you haven't, you just know that this is resistance, support, and this is resistance, and that's really not the right way to look at it. So at any rate, the market closed up here yesterday at 47.82, and now we're trading up here at 47.95, 13 points above where we closed yesterday. So the market is in nosebleed territory where no man has ever gone before. At any rate, I just hope that we have a great day today, and I'm sure most of you had a good day yesterday. So I'll say thank you for watching. Have a great day. Use extra patience And because we are in nosebleed territory here with a big breakout yesterday. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video tomorrow on Wednesday. Have a great day. Marv Eisen, TimelessDollar.com.